If I lost everything today, no money, no experience, no connections, and had to start investing from zero in 2026, this is exactly what I would do. Not theory, not hype, real steps, real platforms, real results. And one decision I wish I made earlier, because it completely changed how I make money with crypto and copy trading. If you're a beginner, or you've tried investing and failed before, this video could literally save you years. I've been where you are, lost, confused, and overwhelmed. I followed bad advice and chased quick riches. Each attempt felt like a step backward. It took time, but I discovered investing is about systems and reliable platforms. Everything shifted when I stopped guessing and began to copy proven methods. Many beginners make a huge mistake. They jump into random stocks without a plan. They overtrade, follow TikTok signals, and ignore risk management. They navigate blind without expert guidance. In 2026, beginners don't need to be experts. They just need access to those who are. If I were starting my investment journey from scratch with under $100 in 2026, I'd begin with 4 clear steps. First, I would learn the market basics: stocks, crypto, and indices. Next, I'd avoid emotional trading. Then, I'd use copy trading to eliminate guessing. Finally, my goal would be consistent profits, not chasing jackpots. This is where platforms like Luma Exchange changed everything for me. Copy trading is the future of investing. It combines AI intelligence with professional traders' expertise. You get transparency and automation that's user-friendly. Here's how it works. You can safely copy expert traders in real time. It's better for beginners. They learn while they earn. I've personally used Luma Exchange to generate profits through crypto. It's friendly for both beginners and advanced users. The clean interface makes it easy to navigate. With binary and copy trading combined, you have safety nets in place. Real traders showcase performance stats, guiding you. If you're serious about investing, you can get started here at lumaexchange.com. Beginners can start small and grow their profits. What sets Luma apart? It's how profits compound over time. If I were starting in 2026, my strategy would be straightforward. First, start with copy trading on Luma Exchange. Choose low-risk traders to follow. Reinvest the profits gradually. Only add binary trades when I fully understand the risks involved. This isn't gambling. It's structured investing. Let's be clear. No one becomes a millionaire overnight. Consistency trumps hype. Discipline overcomes emotion. If I had this knowledge when I began, I'd be years ahead of the curve. If you want to invest smartly in 2026, explore Luma Exchange now. It's the platform I trust and personally use. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone in need of a genuine investing roadmap, not hype. Remember, the future of investing isn't guessing, it's copying what already works.